Bekindlela Mwelase's brothers are digesting the first bit of good news they've received since his death last year. He was at the forefront of a struggle to get ownership of the land he and his family had worked on for years. This week's Constitutional Court ruling is a major step in a journey of over 2 decades by labor tenants around the country.
I'm overwhelmed by this judgment, and I'm over the moon. I'm happy, very much happy, because now, you see, it says, now I've given you more negotiating power.
The ruling will benefit about 19,000 people who are part of a class action suit brought by the Legal Resources Centre. For the Mwelases and their neighbours, it means they can finally lay claim to part of the Hilton College estate. They are situated just below the prestigious school, the one their fathers helped build and maintain.
We sacrificed a lot, because most of those cows that we donated for use, most of them died, and because the conditions were very harsh. So we lost. But then it was not an issue at the time, because maybe I think it was an excitement that we're helping a white man.
Over the years, some residents took up the school's offer of relocation to Howick. Hilton College is insisting all workers were paid and were not labour tenants. It's saying there's never been a threat of eviction, since residents are protected by the Extension of Security of Tenure Act. The Association for Rural Advancement says despite the latest judgment, the fight is far from over.
There hasn't been a political will as well to work on these cases. And in most cases, these people are invisible anyway. So I think the role that AFRA played was to bring them up, make them visible, and say, these people matter as well. They've been waiting for the longest time, and government hasn't been doing anything to address their plight.
The Hilton land case returns to court next month. Desan Tathia in Hilton, KwaZulu-Natal.